office VA staffing, and I'm here to tell you about what a VA can do and why you need one. I'll be actually at the Atlanta RIA at the big meeting in order to let everybody know. A virtual assistant basically can save you a lot of time and a lot of money on your deals and save you from having to work an 80-hour work week just to get that paycheck. If you would, show up at the Atlanta RIA at the big event on May 19th at the Hudson Grill in Sandy Springs.